Hello friends, Namaste. I am AK Singh and you are watching me on my YouTube channel AK Singh Guru and Motivator. Today we are going to learn Hindi counting or Hindi numbers from 1 to 100. This video is very useful for non-Hindi speaking people. Let's start video without wasting a single moment. First of all, I will speak गिनती, counting और numbers, अंक या संख्या in Hindi from 1 to 10. I will speak in Hindi first, then I will translate them from Hindi to English. Thereafter from 11 to 20 and so on. I will speak first of all in Hindi, thereafter I will translate these numbers from Hindi to English. Let's start. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will translate them from Hindi to English. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Now from 11 to 20 in Hindi. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I will translate them from Hindi to English. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Now from 21 to 30 I will speak in Hindi. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now I will translate them from Hindi to English. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30. Now from 31 to 40 I'll speak in Hindi first. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Now I'll translate them from Hindi to English. 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, 36, 36, 37, 37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40. Now I'll speak from 41 to 50 in Hindi first. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. And now I'll translate them from Hindi to English. 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, 49, 50, 50. And now from 51 to 60 I'll speak in Hindi. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Now I'll translate them from Hindi to English. 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59, 60, 60. Now from 61 to 70 in Hindi. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. And now I'll translate them from Hindi to English. 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, 70. Now from 71 to 80 in Hindi. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. And now I'll translate them from Hindi to English. 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, 80, 80. And now from 81 to 90 I'll speak in Hindi first. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now I'll translate them from Hindi to English. 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90, 90, and now the last row 91 to 100 in Hindi. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now I'll translate them from Hindi to English. 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99, 100, 100, 100.